Take a look at this screen here behind me. We first showed you this wild video yesterday morning. This is from South Carolina. This car was tossed like a toy in a tornado during Tropical Storm Idalia. Well, this morning we are learning that a pregnant woman was at the wheel. Take a listen to this as she recounts the very terrifying moments.
At the time my car was in the air for that short amount of time, my mind went completely blank. It happened so quick. All I was thinking, if I was thinking anything, was this is happening? Like, is this really happening? It's like you can be gone tomorrow. Like here today, gone tomorrow. Never know.
Yeah, you heard her ask herself, is this really happening? Yeah, it really happened. You see it here on your screen. But thankfully, she walked away with only minor injuries and her unborn child was not hurt. That's some good news there.